Hey, you too! Ever feel like your electric vehicle is holding back a little, like it's got untapped potential just waiting to be unleashed? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into the world of DIYEV repair. We're going to unlock those hidden secrets and show you how to get the most out of your electric ride. Now, before we get started, I need to be upfront. While I've done extensive research for this video, I haven't found a wealth of readily available, super recent, specific information online. So, we're relying on general knowledge and best practices. Think of this as a deep dive into the fundamentals rather than a cutting-edge tech report. Let's face it, EVs are amazing machines, but they're also complex. There's a lot going on under the hood, or should I say, under the well, you know. And sometimes, things go wrong. Maybe your battery isn't charging as efficiently as it used to, or you're noticing a weird noise, or your range is mysteriously shorter than it should be. Before you panic and hand over your wallet to a mechanic, let's explore some DIY solutions. Now, I'm not promising we'll be rebuilding entire battery packs in our garages, though some brave souls out there do. But we can definitely tackle some common issues. Think of preventative maintenance, minor repairs, and troubleshooting. We're talking about empowering yourselves to understand your AV better and potentially saving yourselves some serious cash in the process. First things first, safety. Working with high-voltage systems is serious business. Always disconnect the power before touching anything. Seriously, I cannot stress this enough. This isn't like changing a tire on a gas-powered car. We're dealing with electricity that can be lethal. Consult your owner's manual, and if you're even slightly unsure about anything, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Remember, a little caution goes a long way. This isn't about reckless DIY, it's about informed DIY. One common area where you can do a lot of preventative maintenance is with your battery. While replacing a battery pack is a major undertaking, keeping it clean and cool can dramatically extend its life. Think about it, dust and dirt can build up, hindering airflow and potentially leading to overheating. Regular cleaning with a soft brush and compressed air can make a real difference. And keeping your battery within the optimal temperature range, as indicated by your owner's manual, is also crucial for performance and longevity. This isn't rocket science, but it's often overlooked. Another area where DIY can shine is troubleshooting minor electrical issues. Let's say you're experiencing intermittent problems with your lights or wipers. Before you automatically assume it's a major electrical fault, check the fuses. This might seem obvious, but it's a simple, low-cost first step that can often solve the problem. Knowing how to locate and replace fuses is a valuable skill for any EV owner. Again, consult your owner's manual. They'll show you exactly where to find them. It's often a surprisingly easy fix that can save you a costly trip to the service center. Now, let's talk about tires. While not strictly electrical, proper tire maintenance is vital for maximizing your EV's efficiency. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, reducing your range. Regularly checking and adjusting your tire pressure is a simple but impactful DIY task. And remember, properly inflated tires also improve handling and safety. This is something anyone can do, and it can make a noticeable difference in your driving experience. We can also talk about cleaning. Keeping your EV clean isn't just about aesthetics. Dirt and grime can build up, impacting the aerodynamics of your vehicle and reducing its efficiency. A regular wash can improve your vehicle's performance, potentially adding a few extra miles to your range. Who wouldn't want that? Now, I know what you're thinking. This is all well and good, but what about the really complicated stuff? And you're right, some repairs are best left to the professionals. Things like major battery repairs, motor replacements, or complex software issues generally require specialized tools and expertise. But by understanding the basics and tackling the simpler tasks yourself, you'll gain a much better understanding of your EV's inner workings and potentially save money on smaller issues. Plus, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment, which is always a bonus. Alright, let's wrap things up. We've covered a lot of ground today, from preventative maintenance to simple troubleshooting. Remember, safety first. Always disconnect the power before working on any electrical components. Check your owner's manual for specific instructions and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. You're essentially becoming part of a community that values knowledge and empowers AV owners. So, go forth and unlock your EV's full potential. Remember, a little DIY can go a long way. What are you waiting for? Let's get those electric vehicles humming. What simple DIY tasks have you tackled on your EV? Let me know in the comments below.